Hi guys, welcome back to Royannity Beauty on YouTube. This is actually my relaunch to the channel. A lot of people have been asking when am I going to post my videos and when am I going to do a relaunch, and a lot of people have been waiting for YouTube, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy. I will have contests. This channel, for those of you who are just watching or just tuning in, this channel is about beauty tips. I will be doing tutorials. I will be showing you different products and launches, just a lot of exciting things, a lot of chances to win prizes, a lot of nice things. Anyone who's into that, anyone who's into creating new looks, makeup, ideas, concepts, anyone who's into artwork, period, and fashion, there is nothing wrong with that. I find that to be absolutely amazing. Actually, I created this little piece behind me. This is not an ad for my artwork, but you know, I'm a creative being, so whatever it is that I love to do, I'm gonna do. So this goes for everyone who's watching my channel. Don't be afraid to be yourself and express yourself. I hope you guys enjoy all that I'm about to share with you and all that I'm gonna continue to share with you. So I want to get started. I have amazing announcements. If you have been riding with me, you know this, but anything that I show will be posted below. Also, uh, every handle that I have for social media, my Facebook, Instagram, even Snapchat. Those of you who are already riding with me, like I said, you already know. But those of you who want to get in contact with me, even see my personal posts or um, different things like that, you're more, or business posts, you're more than welcome to follow me. Also hit the like, subscribe, and notification button on this video. Give me a thumbs up if you can, and share this video. So now let's get into it. I have something great to show you before we get into anything else. Any announcements that I have, and this is going to be a quick video, so please just watch it till the end if you can. I have some amazing products from this company called Mellow Cosmetics, and this is one of the first things that I'm going to show you. It's called Stunna. Hope I'm saying it right. But I got this and I fell in love. I didn't open everything that's here. I didn't even swatch the set. You'll see. I'm about to show it to you. Not even swatched. Not kidding. So this is new. Just opens. Let me move it around a little bit. See if you could see the colors. Okay. Let me see here. Can you see the colors? So this Stunna palette has some beautiful colors in it. I'm gonna start from here. So the colors are as follows. It's champagne up here, and then I'm just gonna go across the top. I'm gonna read it to you. So it's champagne here, and then we have Stunna, cinnamon, brick, nudie, and dust. That's all at the top. It's beautiful. And then I have blush at the bottom, birch, currant, merlot, blue moon, and pecan. Oh my gosh, these colors are amazing. So I'm going to swatch them for you right now. Before I do any makeup looks with this, I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys are interested in anything you see, you can go shopping on Mellow Cosmetics and hit my link below. Make sure you hit my link before you go shopping. And so I'm going to swatch champagne for you right now. I'm so in love with this. It goes with my nails too, guys. As you can tell, this is like my whole thing, my color scheme. Look at the metallic champagne colored nail. It's amazing. This is like my whole thing. Anything like golden or champagne, rose gold, anything of that nature, like just bronzy colors, anything of that nature. Stunna, I just swatched a little bit on my, look at that. I just put like a tiny bit on my finger. Cinnamon right here. Guys, look at this. Like I said, these are little swatches of the fingers. Brick. Little swatches. I hope you can see that. Let me move it back and forward a little bit. Brick would be in the middle of the two sparkly looking colors here. And Okay. I have nudie. Let me go to nudie. Let's go to my arm. Nudie right here. Nudie's like very, very similar to my complexion. That would be something that I would like do a base for my eyes with. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use these colors. Anyone who wants to know, or anyone who's just interested in makeup and different creative looks. I'm not gonna lie to you, I watch a lot of different YouTube videos, a lot of videos, period. It doesn't matter if I'm a makeup artist or not, which by the way I am. It doesn't matter if I'm a makeup artist or not. I just love creativity and different concepts, like I said. And I love to watch people's videos. So if you want to just see different inspiration or something you would do different from me, you can watch my videos, you know, like, subscribe. But you can watch my videos, and anything that you like, that you see, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If there's something that you would have done, I love feedback. That, guys, is dust. These are very, very pigmented with small swatches of the finger. Like, literally, I didn't even do that much to my fingers. It's small swatches. So this is my hand. Let's go in with the blush color. I'm excited about that. Blush is like so amazing. It's really like a blushy color. It, like I said, guys, is buildable. It is very close to my skin complexion, so I hope you guys can see it. But it is buildable, and it's very nice. Um, Birch. Let's go. And current. Let's see. Oh my god. These colors are amazing. Mellow Cosmetics is just, that is Merlot. Guys, I can't wait to try Blue Moon, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a blue fan as well. I mean, purple's my favorite color, you'll see, but I am a blue fan. So, Blue Moon. All right, I'm ready. I love this. Oh my god, this is just like a swatch. The pecan color I'm gonna swatch, but it's definitely like very whitish. See if you want to use that as a base, like a clean base, like as if it's a clean canvas. That canvas is actually gold. But if you want a clean canvas or anything like that, that's what you use it for. Even for looks that you want to put white into, because people don't typically do that. Or, you know, even if you want to highlight a little in the corners of your eyes, but you want it to be mattified, just something to give you intensity. That's what it would be for. And it's not exactly a white. It's called pecan, and it's kind of like an off-white. So guys, I hope you like that. That's called Sinopia. The packaging is just great, guys. The packaging is amazing. Like, especially the color scheme, and they don't do anything shabby. Like, nothing is shabby at all. Very professional. This is so gorgeous. So, hope you guys can see that. We have the colors Luna, Star, Delta, and Dawn. Delta is like the more plushy color. Dawn is probably what I would contour with. Luna and Star are more like highlight colors, and I would probably, you know, do a variety. Sometimes I like to blend highlight colors together. Sometimes I like to do it on different days, or highlight differently in different areas. Guys, just with my finger, I'm going to do Luna. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. And the good thing is, like, you know, you could pat it in. That's, you know, probably better. It gives that highlight. Like, look at that cheek. When I turn sideways, like, look at that cheek in the camera versus here. So I have Star down. I'm going to swatch right just down the middle of my nose. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. I struggle to find anyone around my complexion or with certain undertones. Sometimes you might struggle to find a good highlight that'll like give you that pop. I find that sometimes I see other people and their highlight and I'm like, why? What is wrong with mine? It's a matte lipstick. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Do you see that? And it's definitely my kind of nude. It's not even like something that's not gonna match. The big thing is when people want to find a nude and it comes out looking crazy. Also, the glitter chrome eyeshadows. This is called Golden Glow. It comes in a box like this. And it's called Golden Glow. This is absolutely amazing. It's like a chrome glitter shadow. It has the piece in here to make sure that it stays where it needs to be. I'm just going to play with it a little bit because that's what I do. Look at my finger. Can you imagine that on my eye? I can't put it on my eye right now because I'm going to do a video, but can you imagine that on my eye? Rose gold. One of my favorite colors, like I said. So I take the piece out and I'm going to swatch it like slightly. Oh my gosh. When I say shook for all this makeup, shook. I also have a lippy called Ibiza. Beautiful color. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to open it. First time opening, you can tell there's no mess at the top or anything. This is so beautiful. I'm going to swatch that for you guys on this implant. How amazing is that? Really boss if you want like a liquid matte type of look for your lips and not a typical lipstick. This is great. The last thing I want to show you guys is my powder blush. I think this thing is absolutely beautiful. It's called Peach, but I'm just going to open this for you. Mellow Cosmetics, guys. Beautiful casing, even if it's not all the typical casing that I like, the colors, it's still beautiful. And very professional. So let me just stick my hand in here and swatch that for you guys. This is a blush and it should be very faint, and that's what it would look like. So faint and so beautiful. Of course, you would want to build on that in the skin. Beautiful. Kind of looks like I have a bruise. Okay, so guys, comment below, let me know what you think. Share this video, like this video, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Don't forget to click on the links if you like something you see. Purchase it from my link, Mellow Cosmetics. Also, if you want, you can also click on the link for Royannity lashes. That's right, these bad boys are called Lily. So if you want some Royannity lashes, they are beautiful. I am actually going to, they're all on the website. So pick you up a pair of Lilies if you like what you see. And I will be putting these on in my next video, so stay tuned for that. You will be blood. And also make sure you follow my Instagram and my Snapchat and everything else, so that this way you can see the updates and the pictures of this glam look that I will be creating. Alright, thank you guys for being so patient with me. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you for all my longtime supporters, like I said. And for those of you who are just tuning in, I hope you like it. It will get better. Better with time. Trust me. Thank you.